In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these delicious healthy popsicle using fruits from my fruits basket. All right, so stay tuned, keep on watching. So starting off, here are the fruits that I'm going to be using today. I have some mangoes, lemons, and pineapples. I am going to be making other flavors, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, this is how I peel my mangoes. This is how I usually peel them. And someone left a comment on my last mango video, giving me a suggestion of how to peel the mango to get everything out of it, which I appreciated. I love when you can leave a comment that is valuable to me and my channel. So this is how the person says to do it. Just cut it like that and then use a spoon to scrape everything out. I like it. It's easier and it's simple, and you get everything out of your mango. So thanks to that person on Instagram for leaving such a valuable comment. So now moving on to the pineapples, I'm just going to slice them up, remove the core, and then I cut them up in pieces and get them ready to blend. So summer is approaching and all the kids are going to be at home, so you can make this together as a family. It would be a great bonding moment for you guys. Teach them how to make their healthy popsicles. They're going to be home, they're going to be thirsty all the time. And this is a great way to prevent them from consuming all those additives and all those sugars. I mean, pineapples and mangoes do have sugars in them. They're natural sugar. But instead of having the children consuming all the additives, then this is a great method to put in your daily diet. All right, so look into this and try and make your flavors. It doesn't have to be pineapples and mangoes. As I said before, I'm going to be making other flavors to give you suggestions, and the kids are going to love doing this, so why not? And another reason is that they can get their vitamins from all of this. So instead of taking those little gummy pills or forcing them to drink the medicine, they can get they can get the vitamins from all of these natural ingredients. All right, so that's another plus. So now that I've blended all my pineapples, mangoes, and lemon juice, I am going to use my little funnel to pour my juice into my popsicle mold, and there's a limit on it. Each popsicle mold come with a limit where you should stop pouring. All right, so I'm gonna fill this up, pop it in my freezer for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna take it back out and push in my popsicle stick and put it in back until it is frozen. It takes about 4 to 5 hours, but you can just leave it overnight. So due to the fact that I only have one popsicle mold, I have some mango juice remaining, and I'm gonna blend some ginger. I'm gonna get some ginger juice and I'm going to add it to my mangoes and put it in the freezer and drink it as a smoothie. It's really good and very healthy for you. So it's been 1 hour now. I am gonna remove my popsicle from the freezer, and then I am going to put my popsicle sticks in and then allow it to freeze. As I said before, it may take like 4 to 5 hours depending on how high or low your freezer is turned up. Okay, but we're not in a rush. We're just gonna put them in there and leave them overnight, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the popsicle looks like. So it's the next day. I'm just gonna take them out, and this is a silicone popsicle mold. You have to look for the BPA free. Whenever you're buying anything in plastic or stuff like that, you have to make sure that it's BPA free. So this one is BPA free and it is silicone. All right, so look at this. It looks so lovely and it was so good. I had this one on Mother's Day, and trust me, it was so good. So you guys have to try it out. Make this a little fun activity for you and your family. All right, go ahead and make some popsicle, and the popsicle molds came with some little sealable plastic that you can put them in and keep them in your freezer. All right, so whenever you're ready, just take one out and give it to your kids or enjoy for yourself. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.